Nano Banana is Google Gemini's AI image generator and photo editor, and this is how you use it to remove the background from your pictures. First, open Google Gemini, then select 2.5 Flash. Next, upload your image. You can press the plus and choose upload files, or you can drag and drop your image. I will drag and drop. I've now uploaded my image of the ladybug with the blue background. Next is add the prompt. This just simply says remove the background from this image. Wait a few seconds. And there we go. There's your ladybug, and the background is now transparent. That's all you have to do.